Guys, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day, guys. Welcome back to another video about TRX Tron, guys. So guys, in this video I'm talking about the current price of Tron TRX, and guys, I'm also doing a technical analysis of TRX. But first of all, guys, if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe now, ABS Tech channel, for more news and update videos. Now guys, very congratulations to all Tron TRX holders, because you know what, at this time I found TRX is in the huge pump, guys. Very congratulations to this huge pump. You know what's reason behind this, why the price of TRX quickly pump? The reason is one, as I told you in my previous videos about TRX, that at the last half month possibilities that the price changes will become positive. So same, you know what, it is the last days of a month and the changes has become positive, guys. So very congratulations to all TRX holders. Now the current price of TRX Tron in the market is about 0.104792 USD dollar. That is the currently price of Tron TRX. Other side, you can see the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the TRX is completely positive. Just let me show you on the price chart. Wow, guys, you can see here the whole October month is a profitable month for all TRX holders. So that's very good. And guys, on the basis of this update, on the basis of current update, I recommend for all of my viewers, for all of my subscriber guys, that it's time to hold. If you hold, so you get a huge profit. You know what, now the last 10 days of a month is a profitable days, I hope, guys. So that's why I recommend that it's time to hold. And if you want to buy, so I think it's also good time to buy. Thanks for watching, guys. Please do your own research if you want to buy, sell, or hold. Thanks for watching.